Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can share your files and folders with someone else on Dropbox. It is mind-blowingly simple, guys, and I'm going to show you how to do that really quickly. It's step by step. So head over to dropbox.com, log into your account, and there are basically two different ways how you can share your files and folders with your friends and contacts. So what you want to do, guys, is take a look at that panel here to the left. And I recommend to go by all files first. So here in your home screen or all files section, you will see a list of all of your files and folders uploaded to your Dropbox account. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to share that file here with a contact. So you can do that either by clicking on that share button here or by copying that shareable link here. Alternatively, right click on the given file and select share from that menu here, from that drop down menu, and select share with Dropbox. This is going to open up that window for you. So as previously mentioned, guys, there are two different ways. You either create a shareable link by clicking on create here, wait for Dropbox to create a shareable link, and after that click on copy link here to copy that link and to share it with your contacts so that your contacts may gain access to your uploaded file on Dropbox through their own Dropbox account. So that's one option. Alternatively, guys, you may share your files and folders directly with your contacts by simply adding their email address or name or username from Dropbox here. That's the second option, guys. Then your contact will receive an email notification and an invitation to access your shared file or folder and to accept or to decline that invitation. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Alternatively and additionally, you may go a bit more in depth and add an additional layer of security to your shared files. To do that, simply click on settings here to access your shared file settings. And here you'll be given the opportunity, for instance, to set a password by enabling the require password feature here, or by controlling who is given access to your shared file. For instance, if I click on that arrow down icon here, I will be given the opportunity to share my file with anyone with the link or only with invited people. That's totally up to you, guys. You may also delete the shared link to your shared files and folders by clicking on the delete link here. For instance, if you accidentally shared that link with someone you didn't want to share that folder or file with. So that's how we do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.